Welcome to the Pastimes Digital Media Production Curriculum. In this lesson we will explore the basics of Lexis Audio Editor. After this lesson you should be able to download, install and use Lexis Audio Editor application for producing high quality audio content. The Lexis Audio Editor is an application software that can be used in any device for creating new audio records or editing audio files and for saving your files in the desired audio format. You can download it for free from the following link. You can start by opening an already recorded audio, or you can record a new one. If you click on the open icon, the application will direct you to the library where you can choose the desired audio recording that you would like to work with. After you have opened your desired audio, grab the left side selector and move it to the point of the timeline where you would like to be the beginning of your selection. To complete the selection, you need to move also the right selection tool in order to define the end of the selection. At this moment, and before you move forward, you can use the play and stop function to verify if the selected is the right parts of your audio recording so as to avoid including unwanted parts. If the selection is finalized, you can move to the next step. But in case you need to make more precise adjustments, tap on the zoom icon. Use the selection tools as you learned earlier to select the desired portion of your audio file. After you are done with selecting, you can apply the effects, mix import, cut, copy, insert silence and delete to the selected area. Now let's see how you can copy a part of an audio file to another. From the file you have already opened, after you are done with selecting, click on the copy icon. Open the file where you want to insert your selection from the library section. As soon as your file has been loaded on the timeline, use the selection tool to define where you would like to insert the selected audio. It's important to remember that the left selection tool defines the start position of the inserted audio. Click the paste button and your file will be inserted. For more detailed lessons, please follow the following link. Congratulations, you have just completed the short video which outlines the basic steps for using effectively the Lexis audio editing software. For more lessons, please visit the project website, pastimes.eu.